Hi friends!
Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Darrow, Louisiana, sits along one of the most historically significant stretches of the Mississippi River corridor. Darrow is a community in Ascension Parish situated along River Road, a route known for its plantations, levees, and long ties to Louisiana's agricultural past. The area that became Darrow developed during the 19th century as part of the plantation economy that dominated this region. Fertile soil from the Mississippi River made the land ideal for sugarcane, and plantations lined both sides of the river. One of the most notable nearby landmarks is Humas House, just north of Darrow, which began as a French colonial estate in the late 1700s and later became one of the largest sugar plantations in the state. Like much of the river parishes, Darrow's early economy relied on enslaved labor. Enslaved Africans and African Americans built the infrastructure, cultivated the fields, and powered the sugar industry that brought wealth to plantation owners. During the Civil War, the Mississippi River was a critical strategic asset. Union forces focused heavily on controlling river traffic, and while Darrow itself did not see major battles, the surrounding area experienced military movement, supply disruptions, and occupation. River plantations were often damaged or abandoned during this period, and the local economy took years to recover after the war ended. In the decades that followed, Darrow transitioned into a small rural community centered on farming, river work, and nearby industrial jobs. The construction and reinforcement of levees in the late 19th and early 20th centuries reshaped daily life here. These levees were built in response to frequent flooding, including the devastating Mississippi River flood of 1927, which affected much of southern Louisiana and permanently changed flood control policy along the river. As we drive through Darrow today, you'll notice a mix of modest homes, open fields, and industrial facilities in the distance. This blending of residential life with agriculture and industry is typical of river communities in Ascension Parish. The Mississippi remains just beyond the levee, out of sight but ever present, continuing to influence commerce and land use.
Thanks for watching!